Did you know that having a dash cam can save you thousands in insurance claims and protect you on the road? In 2025, dash cams are smarter, clearer, and more reliable than ever. Let's dive into the best options for your car. Today, we're breaking down the best dash cams of 2025 that combine cutting-edge technology, crystal clear video, and peace of mind for every driver. The ROVE R2-4K Dual Dash Cam is not just another dash cam, it's your ultimate road companion designed to protect and enhance your driving experience. Imagine capturing every detail on the road in stunning 4K Ultra HD resolution, while the Starvis 2 sensor ensures crystal clear footage, even during late-night drives. This dash cam doesn't just stop at great visuals, it's loaded with features to make your life easier. With the included 128GB memory card, you're ready to go straight out of the box. Plus, its 5G Wi-Fi capability offers lightning-fast video transfers, up to 20 megabytes per second, to your smartphone using the ROVE app, so you can share or review footage without waiting. The sleek 3-inch IPS screen makes navigating settings and playback smooth and intuitive, keeping you focused on the road ahead. But what truly sets the ROVE R2-4K dual dash cam apart is its 24-hour parking mode, keeping your car under constant surveillance, whether you're parked at home or on a busy street. Paired with its robust front and rear camera setup, it ensures you have a comprehensive view of everything happening around your vehicle. The BOTSLAB 4K dash cam front and rear is the ultimate choice for drivers who want crystal clear recordings and smart safety features in one sleek device. Equipped with 4K Ultra HD resolution on the front camera and a wide 170-degree field of view, this dash cam ensures every detail on the road is captured, from license plates to unexpected moments. The Sony IMX415 sensor and WDR technology deliver outstanding clarity, even in low-light conditions, making it perfect for nighttime driving. What sets the BOTSLAB apart is its smart advanced driver assistance system, which offers real-time alerts to help you stay safe on the road. The 24/7 parking mode ensures your car is protected even when you're away, while loop recording means you'll never run out of space. Plus, the included 64GB SD card gets you started right out of the box. For added convenience, the BOTSLAB features 5G for quick video transfers and a built-in GPS for precise route tracking. Compact and easy to install, it's designed to blend seamlessly into your car while providing powerful functionality. Whether you're commuting, road tripping, or just want peace of mind, the BOTSLAB 4K dash cam is a reliable and feature-packed choice for 2025. The Pelsee P104K dash cam is a compact yet powerful addition to any car, designed to provide crystal clear video and effortless control. With 4K Ultra HD resolution on the front camera and 1080p on the rear, this dual dash cam ensures every moment on the road is captured with exceptional clarity, from license plates to scenic views. What makes the P1 stand out is its Wi-Fi connectivity and app control, allowing you to manage settings, view footage, and download videos directly to your smartphone. The 1.5-inch IPS display is sleek and user-friendly, making it easy to review recordings or adjust settings on the go. Plus, the voice control feature adds an extra layer of convenience, letting you operate the camera hands-free while driving. Equipped with advanced night vision and 24-hour parking mode, the P1 Duo ensures your vehicle is monitored day and night, offering peace of mind against theft or accidental damage. The included 64GB SD card gets you started right out of the box, while the G sensor automatically locks and protects important footage in the event of a collision. The Kingslim E4 4K dash cam is a game changer for 2025, offering advanced features to ensure safety and convenience for every driver. Let's explore why it stands out. With 4K UHD resolution on the front camera and 1080p on the rear, this dash cam captures every detail with exceptional clarity, from license plates to road signs. The built-in Wi-Fi allows seamless connection to the Kingslim app, making it easy to view, manage, and download footage directly to your smartphone. Additionally, its night vision technology, powered by advanced low-light sensors, ensures crisp and detailed recordings even during nighttime drives or in poor lighting conditions. What sets the Kingslim E4 apart is its parking mode feature. This ensures your vehicle is monitored even when parked, providing peace of mind against theft or hit-and-run incidents. Combined with wide-angle lenses, 170 degrees in the front and 150 degrees in the rear, it leaves no blind spots unrecorded, offering comprehensive coverage of your surroundings. In summary, the Kingslim E4 is compact, user-friendly, and packed with powerful features like 4K clarity, app convenience, night vision, and parking monitoring, making it an excellent choice for anyone seeking safety and security on the road. The Sarmert C1 5K dash cam is a powerhouse in the world of dash cams, offering unmatched video quality and cutting-edge features for 2025. With 5K Ultra HD resolution, this dash cam captures every detail with stunning clarity, ensuring license plates, road signs, and unexpected events are recorded in razor-sharp detail. You can also choose between 4K and 2.5K settings, giving you flexibility depending on your recording needs. Equipped with built-in GPS and 5G Wi-Fi, the Sarmert C1 makes video management and route tracking seamless. Using the companion app, you can easily view, download, and share your footage in just a few taps. The 2-inch IPS screen provides a clear interface for reviewing recordings or tweaking settings, all while maintaining a sleek and compact design. What sets this dash cam apart is its super night vision and wide dynamic range, WDR technology, which deliver exceptional low-light performance, ensuring crystal clear recordings even on the darkest roads. The 150-degree wide-angle lens covers more of the road, eliminating blind spots, while the loop recording feature ensures you never run out of storage. Plus, with support for up to 512 gigabytes of storage, it's ready for long trips or extended recording sessions. The G sensor adds a layer of security by automatically locking and protecting important footage in case of an impact. Whether it's for safety, security, or scenic road trips, the Sarmert C1 5K dash cam offers premium features and outstanding performance, making it a top choice for drivers in 2025. Ready to upgrade your road safety? Let us know which dash cam stood out to you in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a review or recommendation. Check the links in the description to grab your favorite dash cam and take your driving experience to the next level.